Hey, what's up, everybody? This is your buddy, your pal, and Hawthorne, and I'm here with yet another unboxing. This shipped from Parma, Ohio, all the way to South Bend, Indiana. I've never been to Parma before, but I have been to Ohio. I love it. Ohio. I'm going to open this up and try not to cut my finger with my trusty box cutter. As always, thanks so much for watching my videos. I wish you the best. Cool, trusty little manila envelope. Growing up, I thought it was in a vanilla envelope. So I'm going to repurpose the heck out of this. Aww. Make sure there's nothing in there. There is not. The seller is a female, wrote, "Thank you." Adorable. Thank you. So I purchased this off eBay. And this is a $50 AMC gift card. I think that's actually more than... So I don't know how much I actually spent on this one specifically, but what I do is I go online onto like sites like eBay and I will look and I will hunt for a good deal. So I'm assuming this is like two $50 gift cards. Maybe they were 60 bucks, 70 bucks. As long as I'm, in return making, a little bit of profit, I'm going to do it. So it's a way to save some money in the long run. So, concession prices, ticket prices can be expensive depending on where you live. They're not too bad where I live, thankfully. But what I do, if I can get a $100 gift card for 60 bucks, I just save 40 bucks. So I don't remember exactly how much this one was in particular, but I'm pretty excited. My movie theater, my AMC opens up a week from today. So I'm pretty geeked out. I'm hoping Bill and Ted 3 come out. What's a movie you want to see at the theater? Are you going to go back to the theater? I already have my Jurassic Park tickets for another brand of theater, Cinemark, and I'm seeing that tomorrow. So I'm pretty hyped. I love movies. If you subscribe to my channel, you can see my other thousands and thousands of videos, including movie reviews. I will be doing a review of Jurassic Park in the theater. It's going to be great. Thanks so much for watching my video. I wish you the best. If you like cool t-shirts like this one right here, you can go to riptapparel.com. That's RIPT apparel.com, or onceuponat.net. That's where I got this shirt from, is onceuponat.net. Find your shirt of choice and use my username, London Hawthorne, as your coupon code. You're going to save a couple bucks off of each order. I hope you have a great day and see some movies.